So as you can see, we have the battery banks. This is the new technology, lithium-ion battery. So we have got two battery banks. One is a 48 volts 170 Ah, which translates to 8.8 kilowatt unit. So together as a battery bank, they provide storage of 17.6 kilowatt hour. If you can see here, what we have is also the external control unit for a pump. So we have got a 0.5 horsepower pump that is connected to the system. And then on the inverters, we have got two inverters, each rated at 5 kilowatts, operating in parallel. So together they are able to give us 10,000 watts that should be able to power the house. And in the house you have all the standardized loads. You have got fridge, you have got a cooker, you have got microwave, I've got TV, and the pump I've already alluded to when I showed you the control unit.